Hello, Mathies. Today we are merging from multiplication into division. Division is when you divide something equally among yourself or other people. We have already been dividing last week, boys and girls, because multiplication and division go hand in hand. Let me show you an anchor chart from last week. You'll say, what? We were dividing? Okay. Last week when we were multiplying, which we are still doing, we learned that we could make groups. Okay, we learned that we can make groups to model the problem. Okay, so let me show you. Okay. Last week, these were some examples that we did. Here, we were dividing beads among 6 necklaces. So, if we're dividing beads among 6 necklaces, we drew the 6 groups, and then we took the 18 beads and divided them equally. So each friend got 3 beads on their necklace. Okay, let's look at this one. This one, we were doing the multiplication. 3 times 4 equals 12, or 4 times 3 equals 12. Well, we wanted to divide the 12 among 3 groups. So let's say we had 12 chocolate chip cookies, and we wanted to divide it among 3 people. Well, here's the people, 1, 2, 3. And then we divided the 12 cookies among each person. So each person got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Always equal, okay? Don't ever have any ones left over. So as you can see, we've already been dividing. Dividing is when you are figuring out how many equal groups there are and how many in each group. The problems that we're going to start out with, boys and girls, are going to tell us how many groups and how many in each group. We have to divide it equally, okay? I mean, it's going to give us a total, and we're going to find how many in each group. My big thing is draw a picture. The more I write and label and draw, I know I'm going to get the right answer. Because the more that you write down and the more strategies you use, you are going to get the answer correct. All right, so let's look at number 1. Let's look at our word problem. We're going to make how many groups and find out how many in each group. Let's read the question. 6 friends picked 48 grapefruits. To share equally, how many grapefruits should each friend get? I'm going to draw a picture. How many friends are there? I'm going to find that in my problem. So there are 6 friends with a total of 48 grapefruits to share or divide. Okay, since I have a lot, and I'm still going to show you with objects, you can use objects too. Remember I told you to go to the dollar store and get your loose parts? If you forgot, go under the Google Classroom. There's still the video of loose parts. Okay, so let's make our 6 friends. I just draw circles because it's faster, and circles represent whatever we're drawing. 6 friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And they picked 48 grapefruits. So I've got to divide them evenly so each child gets the same amount. So you could do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Okay, well, how many friends do we have? 6. How many grapefruits will each friend get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's make sure that I got 8 in each group, so it's equal to 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6. Yes. So the answer is each child will get 8 grapefruits. Okay, so we had 48 grapefruits. We divided them among 6 people, and we got 8. Each child will get 8. This is all I want you to do, is represent dividing with a picture. Okay? These are your groups. 6 groups. How many in each group? 8. All right. Now, you guys can get out your notebook and do the next one with me. I'm still going to show you groups, and I'm also going to show you how you can use the bar model to solve. Okay? There are other ways, boys and girls, obviously, to divide divide and multiply that will equal 48. But right now, we're just solving problems where they give us the groups, they tell us how many, and we're finding how many in each group. How many grapefruits will each child get? 8. Because each of these is children, and these are the grapefruits. Okay, we're going to use a picture to model division. Let's keep going. You could put this example at the top. You can put divide. If you want to, you can pause my video so you can go get your composition book, and you can do this example here with me. Okay, I do, we do, and then you do after this lesson. Okay, here we go. 3 friends have 12 toys to share equally. We know that. We want each person to get the same. How many toys will each friend get? How many friends are there? Yep, there's 3. So Miss Benito drew a rectangle showing 1 friend, 2 friends, 3 friends. How many toys will they share? A total of 12. Okay. So again, I could start drawing the toys equally in each box. In my mind, I know that 4 times 3 is 12, but I'm still going to just put 1 in each box till they're all gone, okay? So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? How many groups are there? 3. How many toys will each person get? 1, 2, 3, 4. Each person is getting an equal amount. They're getting 4 toys each. How many toys will each friend get? 4. We had a total of 12. It was divided among 3 friends, and each child will get 4. Okay, watch me do it in circles, because circles are easy peasy, right? 3 friends. Again, I'm going to divide 12 equally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Notice how I separated my toys so they're easy to see and easy to count, and I can easily look and say, yes, I divided the 12 toys equally. Each one has 4. All right, boys and girls. Now, you're going to get your math book that you have at home. Sometimes I give you problems. I take an image of it. Not today. You are going to do, let's see, I think I said pages 19 and 20. I know it looks like a lot, but the word problems are easy peasy. It's the same as looking at equations and solving them, except you have to read words. Okay, so you're going to go on and you're going to do pages 19 and 20 in your math workbook at home. Okay, page 19 and 20 in your math book at home. I'm going to videotape me sorting objects into groups so you can watch how I do that later. Alrighty, again, you're doing pages 19 and 20 in your math workbook. Okay, again, you're finding how many groups, how many in each group when you divide